Okay, so this is the pre-video video after we already ate what I'm going to show you on the video. If you try nothing else of my dishes, try this one. You will not regret it. I don't know if it was putting it on the grill as opposed to broiling it in the oven. It is amazing. So check it out and make it. Eat this, okay? Eat this. What's up, guys? Hey, tonight we are going to do the national dish of the Philippines. This is Filipino adobo chicken. It's super easy, super tasty, and with this little gadget right here that my wife got for her birthday, should be super quick. We're gonna see about that. Admittedly, I did a pork butt in this thing about a week ago. Took me an hour and a half. An hour and a half for a pork butt. The hardest thing about this dish is chopping garlic. And I'm pretty confident you can do that. Let me show you what's going to go in this recipe. We have our garlic and basil leaves. We have black peppercorns, red pepper flakes, brown sugar, and in here I have canola oil, soy sauce, and white vinegar. That's going to be the marinade for our chicken. So there it is, ready to go in the refrigerator now. 30 minutes in the fridge. That's about as hard as it gets. We'll put it in the fridge, have us a cerveza, wait for it, throw it in the pot. So our chicken's been marinating for a little over 30 minutes, actually probably 40 minutes, kind of got into a football game. So, going to put it in our pot. There's many different ways you can do this if you don't have an Instant Pot. You can do it in a slow cooker. You could do it stovetop. I'm just playing with my new gadget, so we'll see how this goes. Never know. Could be a total failure, but I think it'll be fine. Once it's all said and done in here, we will do a reverse sear on them, which we could do on the grill. We could actually do them in this thing, or we could do them in the oven under the broiler. Haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do yet. Oops. Got our chicken in. We're gonna dump our marinade in there now and let it all cook in the juices. Lock our lid back on. Pressure cook time, 10 minutes. Start. There we go. It smells amazing out here. If you cook it indoors, your house is gonna smell amazing. So anyway, I've decided what I'm gonna do. I got the grill fired up. I'm gonna take the chicken out of here, put it on my tray, throw it in the grill, on the grill, fired up on high right now. I'll turn off half of it. And that's the side I'll put the grill on. See if I can't do the skins that way. If all else fails, I can take them off here, throw them on the grill, crisp up the skins a little bit. Oh, yum. All right, got my chicken. I'm gonna put this bad boy on saute. Let that saute and thicken up a little bit while I throw these on the grill. So, to the grill. See how that works. Had it on the grill for a few minutes. On the pan on the grill. Aluminum foil covered pan on the grill. I'm going to go ahead and throw them on the flame for just a second on the thick side just to crisp it up. Yeah, that's perfect. There's what we needed to do. And back into the sauce that we've been simmering. I'm going to take it inside, put it over some rice. I know I've been putting a lot of stuff over rice lately with some vegetables. But this, my friends, is Filipino chicken adobo. And it is incredible. Want to thank you for watching. Hope you like it. I hope you subscribe. I hope you share it. We're going to eat this. Oh my. That is wonderful stuff. Eat this. Oh my.